still life with the help of watercolor. Here you can see I keep some pot in front of me. I am going to draw with the help of pencil. Here I am going to use the regular HB pencil to draw. First of all, we have to draw the light lines, the outline shape of these objects. As you can see here, you can make a square and right triangle shape to draw these two objects. You can divide in two parts and try to do perfect drawing with the help of this box, with the help of this outline part. As you can see here, with the help of curve line, we can easily draw the shape of this. Okay, now at downside I am going to start drawing once again with detailed drawing. Here I am not going to draw the much lines. Okay, with the help of minimum line, try to complete this drawing. Then we are able to color with watercolor. There no need to draw the lines, just lightly we have to draw the lines, because when using a lots of time eraser on that paper, the paper texture and paper moisture will be damaged. It is not for good for watercolor. Here I am using a regular paper, Norway paper, to do the watercolor on it. Now do the perfect drawing and start to color it. Before coloring, make that sure our drawing, if any changes is there, you can make changes in drawing. Afterwards, we are not able to do the changes with color. Minimum 3 shades we require to make a light, middle, dark, then highlight and shadow part. Okay, that part is important in still life. When you doing that drawing, make that sure that get the connection between these two objects. See the distance. In background also you can see some folds. Those folds are required for us. We are able to do and paint. Just draw that much, color that much. Now here I am going to use watercolor. Dome's cake color I am going to use here. Here I am going to mix yellow color and brown color to try to make that shade. Those are visible for me. From you can see I leave the white part where is exactly highlight point is there. I'm going to leave the white part. As you can see downside there is some green color reflection is there. That's why I'm use the green color there. One by one we are going to increase the percentage of color and try to make a more dark shade. With side by side we are going to paint the background also. That time we are able to understand how much color intensity required. Here I am using the regular student colors. There is no any artist color or nothing is there. If you want to do the more perfection, we want to give the more time, but in a minimum time we have to paint like this, because this is an assignments to beginning of the still life with the help of watercolor. Last time we learned with the crayons. Afterwards we are going to learn with the poster colors. Okay, every color having their own identity. We are going to check which is good for us. Every medium has a different technique. Here I am going to use to show the dark part of white with the help of violet color. Here you can use a grey color also to show the dark part of this, but from my angle I am able to see that there is some violet color shade is there, as well as green color reflection also there. Now afterwards you can increase the detailing with the help of more darker shade. You can do the work one by one like this. Okay, here I am going to show the shadow part and some dark tone. Afterwards we can do the more detailing on it, but basically we are going to start with the light color to dark color step by step. In watercolor you have to use some time to color with dry. That time we are able to do the dark work. Okay, sometimes there is a different technique. If you want to do the with wet color also, you can make the effects of light and dark also. Afterwards we are going to learn it. As you can see, if you want to make a more darker shade, use a brown color more and try to paint with this. Like this we can do the coloring with the help of watercolor.